Welcome to the Right Byte, the series that provides you with technology tips to help you run your business better. My name is Gene Marks, so let's get right to the point. Now, you want to have a better relationship with your CPA. How can you do that? How can your CPA be a true business partner? As a CPA myself, I've got some advice for you. Number one, find somebody positive, proactive, and responsive. They should be replying to your emails and they should be looking to do work with you all the time. Number two, include that person as part of your team. Involve them in any big decisions you want to make about your business. You'll get good advice from them if they're a good CPA. And finally, don't nickel and dime. Whatever your CPA charges, I'm sure that's what he or she thinks is fair. You want to make sure that you're not negotiating their rates down. It's a problem when you're trying to do that with a service provider. Take it from me. My name is Gene Marks. This has been The Right Byte. I hope this helps you have a better relationship with your CPA.